Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to VidaPurpose. Bienvenidos. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. So today I have a fun video ready for you guys. It's a short 5-minute video that I'm gonna be making my morning smoothie. I make it every morning, and if I don't make it, I miss it like crazy. It's full of healthy fats, carbs, and proteins. It's so good and super easy to make. So if you have a blender, just throw all the ingredients that I'm gonna list in the video and just enjoy. Check it out. Into a blender, add 1/3 cup of raw zucchini for creaminess. It's high in antioxidants. 1/2 cup of baby spinach to get some greens in. 1 date to increase the fiber intake in your diet. 2 ice cubes that work as little knives to smooth everything out. 1/3 cup of rolled oats loaded in B vitamins. 1 cup of frozen berries, a great source of vitamin C and vitamin K. One tablespoon of 100% peanut butter, an excellent plant-based protein source. An inch of ginger root helping with inflammation, one of the many health benefits it has. And to finish up, 2 cups of creamy oat milk. Blend. And enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna try it, see how it turned out today. So nice. It turns out slightly different every day, and it also depends on what ingredients I have. Today I was out of bananas, so I used zucchini, which gives it the same kind of creaminess. And then for extra sweetness, I added the dates. And yeah, I mean, it's just delicious. It's really good. And if you guys try it out, let me know, because it's so worth it. I love it. So cheers.